Welcome to Take a Step to a Better You, a channel I started 4 years ago. I'm reintroducing myself and the channel. And I'm Sherifa Nakalema, Virginia, USA, business owner. In this one, I want to tell you briefly about what I've been doing so far, a little bit about myself, and then what I'm doing going forward and how you can connect with me. So I've been here 4 years and I have almost 900 videos right now. And they've been about making money online, starting affiliate marketing, high ticket affiliate marketing, business tips, YouTube tips. Been recording about many things, and personal development. How do you get better as a person? I recorded videos about these books. If you're familiar with Rich Dad Poor Dad, Cash Flow Quadrant, and the motivation part is a lot. I keep here to motivate. I come here to just motivate you to take a step to make your life better. So, but recently, I started going big on personal development. How do we achieve those dreams? I discovered something. I'll talk about that a little bit later. But, okay, that's what we've been doing, almost 900 videos for 4 years. Now, I decided to record this again. The one I had here didn't even have a light before when I started doing it, so I changed it. I'm introducing this channel again. And a little bit about me. Like I said, I'm Sherifa Nakalema. I'm a business owner. I'm actually president of my company. It's called Honest Souls Incorporated. If you see, you'll see my website. It's called Honest Soul Incorporated. It's everywhere. If you see my description. And I'm originally from Uganda, East Africa. 56 years old, but I've been in America for over 25 years. So I call it my home now. Although I visit Uganda, I still have my mother over there. So my background is the education level. A degree in economics. I did it in Makerere University, Uganda. Here in America, I did accounting. I love business. Even listening to books. I have like business knowledge. I like to share it. And computers. And now this personal development, I'm obsessed with it. How does the brain work? How do you achieve what you want? Okay? So, going forward here, I'm going to be covering these similar topics, but a little bit differently. So if you want, I'm introducing something new because whenever I say come learn how to make money online, how to work from home, I say work from home, but actually I'm asking you to learn affiliate marketing. I've been asking you to set up the system, the way we do it. But now I'm introducing an easier version where all you need is use your phone and maybe TikTok and WhatsApp, that kind. In fact, to promote this genius script that I'm talking about, but other things too. I'm introducing other things to you, the ones who can't set up the system. But the ones who want to set up, like things are automated, I'm going to emphasize step by step. You have to learn how to do it step by step. Then those who want to do high ticket affiliate marketing, this is a lot of money, right? And it's only available. Africa is only South Africa. It's only in the USA, in Canada, Europe, and Australia. Okay? So that one is there. Especially if you're in those countries, then that's for you, and you have to be dedicated. Like you're really investing some money, and maybe your intention is to create a real serious business. That one is there. Then I'm talking about like business tips. I'm always talking about business tips. How you set goals. How do you do all these things? Like what I'm doing, I'm sharing. The other thing I want to talk about, I think I'm going to go back to sharing YouTube tips. Those who want to start YouTube channels and you want to go your social media, just get close to me. I'm about to show you how you connect with me. And the personal development, that one is huge. Also, before forgetting, those people who want halal money. You know, I do halal money because this is money that's allowable by God. That's what it is. So if you're like a Muslim like me, you ask halal, yes, halal money. But it's the same money I'm making, the same money everyone else is making. But I use the term halal to make you feel comfortable. So if you want halal money, this is the place. Now, the personal development part, that one is huge because it's for everyone. Everyone who wants to achieve something, you want to learn how to get rid of those limiting beliefs. I'm not good enough. I'm not smart enough. I don't have money. I don't have time. Do you know those are actually beliefs that you don't have it? But it's actually available, you can't believe it. It's true. So we are learning to get rid of those limiting beliefs. So if you are like that, come to my community because I just discovered these things. They are great. A little bit of my background also, I didn't mention that I'm in a starting over mode because my husband had a serious accident here in America, and I ended up cleaning home. Some of you see me holding vacuums. Yeah, that's true. So through this manifestation, I'm manifesting, working 100% right now online. That's why I'm restarting everything, because I'm focused. This gene script is going to show you how to focus. Not necessarily just the gene script, there are other courses too, but it's going to be a big part of what I do here. How do you focus on what you want and how do you get it? Okay, so yeah, so how do you connect with me? That's some of that. That's motivation is already there. Here I'm daily. Daily something's happening. Either it's a short or it's a video. I'm going live. Right now, as I'm recording this one, I've been going live Friday evening, my time. It's Saturday for some of you, because this is international message. So expect me live around that time. Sometimes I throw in one during the week. I just introduced something else. Those people who have taken action, if you know, even you, someone who has taken action in your community and they're making their life better, I'm interviewing people. So I just started, I recorded one, it's not out yet as I'm posting this, but it's coming. You see a series, or I call it Take a Step to a Better You series. I'm interviewing people, they're sharing their stories, how they change their lives. I love that. So I'll also be bringing experts who are going to guide us how to make our life better. So that's a series that's new. And as I'm posting this one, the other one is coming next. You'll see that I've started interviewing people. So that's exciting. And I could interview you too, if you've taken some steps, especially if you work from home. I like that. But anyone who has changed their life, I like to talk to you, because as you share your story, you make others also believe that they can change their story. That's what we're doing, change their life. Take a step to better you. That's my message. So this is what I'm doing. Many of you send me messages, you leave comments, you leave emails. You send emails, that email I share, especially on TikTok. I said, I can't respond to all these. So what I'm doing now, I'm putting this video everywhere, not this one, but another one, where you're going to connect with me by adding your email. So even here, I'm asking the same thing. Please check the pinned comment, if TikTok, YouTube allows it to stay in the pinned comment. And also in the description, there is a list I'm creating. Go add your email. I'm going to explain before you add your email why you're adding it. That's how you connect with me. Please, if you are not connecting with me because of those things I just mentioned, if maybe you want to provide a service to me, or you want to connect for business purposes, please don't get into that email. You go to the About page. You'll see that I have another email that you're going to use to connect with me. But I'm talking about people who really want to do the affiliate marketing that I talked about, step by step, high ticket, halal money, YouTube. Like you want to, those things I've been talking about. Then get to the list and add your name. I'm explaining when you go there. Just find where it says connect with me. Connect with me. That's how you connect with me. And I explain what is expected of you if you choose to connect with me. I'm also sharing, as I'm recording this, I'm sharing my WhatsApp number again. Let's see how that goes. But I'm trying to get myself out off of social media. I'll be posting, but not commenting much, not connecting much over there. I'll be connecting with people who click through and come to YouTube, because I want to concentrate on this channel. I've been on TikTok too much, and I think I'm back. I'll be there, but not as much. I want to concentrate on my YouTube channel because that's a long-term goal. That's where we're going to change lives, okay? Share it. Please subscribe to my channel. And tell your friends about what's going on here. It's about to change our lives. I don't charge money to do what I do. I even take people on Zoom. Just send me a message. Since now I'm giving access to WhatsApp again. Some of you have my WhatsApp, but I had stopped doing it. So we're going to look below, give me your email and get my WhatsApp number. Then I'll be able to follow that. I'll be looking at the email messages and responding to you. If you need a Zoom call, a Zoom meeting, we'll do that. And on those emails, that's when I'll be sharing, when I'm going live, when I'm doing this. So it's easier. Let's focus on the email and the WhatsApp. These comments, they're a lot. I can't deal with all of them. And the direct messages, it's just too much. I'm everywhere. So this is how we're going to do it. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, share it. Okay? Again, Sherifa Nakalema. Let's take a step to make our lives better. Either we do it or we don't. And if we don't, we may regret it. Can you imagine when you are 80 or 90, you don't know how long you're going to live. You don't want to regret. So stay close to me, add your email, Yeah, find it, find a connect. When I say connect with me, that's what you need to do. Thank you so much.